also don't know how to answer this question. Try to ask Myra. Myra, do you know how to answer this question? Let me see. Oh, this is so easy. Let me show you guys how to do it.
This table shows the amount of water given the three types of herb, basil, mint and rosemary for each day. 4 row represent a type of herb and each column show how many liters of water are given per day. For example, basil get 2 liters for day 1, day 2 is 1 liter, day 3 is 1 liter. At the end of the experiment, we know the total amount of water for 3 days. Basil is 11 liters, mint is 15 liters and rosemary 21 liters. Next, we represent the data in the metric form, where A multiply X equal to B is the formula. For the A is the coefficient metric formed from the data on the table we put here. For the X is other metric represent the amount of water used on day 1, day 2 and day 3. For the B, total amount of water for each plant. So A equal to 211, 131, 114. For the X is equal to X1, X2 and X3. For the B is the total amount of water, 11, 15 and 21.
Oh, now we know how to do it.
The question B is determinant using Weierstrass method. Hannah, do you know how?
Oh, I know how to do this question. So now I'm going to show you how to do the determine inverse metric using Cyrus method. So now we have this metric that we have earlier, and for the right number we take 2 columns in this metric. So first thing we're gonna do is draw a line starts from up to down and repeat until 3 lines, and that's gonna be our downward. And then we're gonna make other line starts from down to up, and that's gonna be our upward. So now we're gonna multiply both of them, start with downward. 2 multiply 3 multiply 4 equals to 24, and then plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 equals to 1, plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 equals to 1. So now we're gonna minus them with the upward. 1 multiply 3 multiply 1 equals to 3, and then plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 2 equals to 2, plus 4 multiply 1 multiply 1 equals to 4. So for the downward we get 26, and then for the upward we get 9, and then for the total we get 17. So our dad A should be 17.
Oh no! This question also asks to do the algebra. I don't know how. I think you can ask to Harif to do this question.
Let me call Harif to ask about this.
Yes.
Hello Harif,
Yes, Yana.
do you know how to do algebraic question?
Yes, I know how to do it.
Oh really? Can you show us how to do it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So this is how we find the aggregate metric. After we get the answer, we need to put into the formula, which is mean C11, C12, C13, and until the C33. So the meaning of the C11 is mean the row and the column. So at the row and the column, we need to ignore that and take the other one. Did involve to in row. For example, for C11, it means we need to ignore the row of number 1 and the column of number 1. So we ignore the number of that and take the number he didn't involve at the row 1 and also the column 1. That's why I take the 3, 1 and 1, 4. So after that, we need to make like we find the determinant. So we need to times by crossing them means 3 times 4 and 1 times 1. So after that, we put into the formula of determinant AD minus CB. So put at there means 12 minus 1 equals to 11. After that, like other column, same method with the C11 like I told you. So at the C12, we ignore the column of number 1 and the row of number 2. So we take the 1, 1, 1, 4. So in this method, we need to do minus before that because we need to minus of the C112, C21, C23, and lastly is C12, C21, C23, and last C32. Because it like the formula, we need to minus them because to get the real answer. So next, after we find all the row and the column answer, we put back into the formula. Like I do this. Is C11 we put 11, C12 we put negative 3, C13 we put negative 2, C21 we put negative 3, C22 we put the 7, C23 we put negative 1, C31 we put negative 2, C32 we put negative 1, and the last one is C33 we put the 5. So that's all.
Oh, thank you, Arif.
Guys, I think I know how to answer last question.
So first of all, we need to know the formula. X is equal to a to the power of negative 1 multiplied by b. So now, we need to multiply b first. For the yellow row, we need to multiply to the next column and followed by red row and green row. And then, we need to calculate for all the calculation. After that, we need to divide by 17. And that's how we get the answer